Want to create stunning LaTeX documents with Overleaf? In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to start fast. Like and subscribe for more tech tips, and let's master LaTeX in 2025. Open your browser, Chrome's great, and go to overleaf.com. Click Register to create a free account. Just enter your email and a password. Once you're in, hit New Project. Choose Blank Project from the templates. Done? Let's write some LaTeX. Here's the Overleaf editor with your article template. In the code, add your title, 1-minute IT shot, and your name with author, your name. Below begin a document, add make title to show the title, then write some text like, Welcome to LaTeX. Keep it simple. Ready to see it? Let's compile. Click Recompile at the top. Watch the magic. There's your PDF with the title, author, and text, all formatted. If you see errors, double-check your syntax, like missing brackets. Want to edit? Just tweak the code and recompile. You're officially a LaTeX pro now. That's it. Your first Overleaf document is ready in 2025. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more LaTeX hacks. Tell me in the comments, what's your next LaTeX project? Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.